Hello everyone, my name is Amandeep Sharma. Today I am going to talk about the emerging technologies, digital security. Digital security is the protection of your digital identity, the network or the internet equivalent of your physical identity. Digital security includes the tools you use to secure your identity, assets, and the technology in the online and mobile world. These tools include antivirus softwares, web services, biometrics, and the secure personal devices you carry with you every day. Now the question arises is what is the need of digital security? Digital security is used as a source identity or location. Everybody has a source identity on the internet, which includes personal data and information. To protect this data and information, digital security is needed. The another one is documents. Today, mostly all the organizations and business dealing with their transactions online, which includes number of confidential documents and the sources which need to be protected by the digital security. The another one is conversations. Online networks may deal with large number of conversations on the daily basis on the internet. These conversations may include confidential information and data which needs to be protected. The another one is research topics. Today, plagiarism and online theft of journal articles and data and research materials is very common, which also needs the security of these types of sources on the internet, which may be possible by the digital security. Data, like everybody share a huge amount of data on the social media sites, which need to be protected somehow with digital security. But the another question arises is from whom we need to protect this data, like from some legal actions such as government, organizations such as our employers, our competitors, like we want to hide our informational and confidential data from our competitors, from the criminals on internet, from the hackers who may try to access our confidential information, from intruders who may try to damage our useful data, from viruses and from spywares. Now I'm going to talk about the different kinds of securities, such as confidential security. Confidential security means that only authorized person can read or write the message sent by the source. The another one is authentication. Authentication involves that source can verify the destination is correct or not, like whom they are talking is a right person or not. The another one is integrity. Integrity involves that the whole message is received at the right destination in the right manner. The another one is anonymity. Anonymity involves that the identity of the user can't be discovered. The another one is availability. Availability feature provides the safety of our data so that we can easily retrieve the required information when needed. Now I'm going to talk about the innovation potential of digital security. Digital security has a great impact on the development sector and the online banking sector. First of all, I'm going to talk about the development sector. Technologies such as mobile phones and internets provide the development sector a number of opportunities to coordinate, to plan, to expose the hidden truths, and to engage new audience. But these all includes plenty of risks as well. The problem is that while new communication technologies have been become cheaper and easier to use, they have also become more opaque. There are concerns about who owns the data when it's the uploaded on and created using a commercial service. The difficulty is developing a workable strategy for digital privacy and security. For those exposing right abuses and corruption, this strategy needs to be tempered with the need for a public identity and privacy. The another innovation potential of digital security is on online banking. Online banking has two very powerful market drivers. One is customer convenience and the another one is bank profits. Bank customers go online to save their times. Bank move operations and transactions online to enable the services and to lower cost, improving profitability, but it also raised the theft of their data. To encounter the threat of online banking fraud and expand the online channel into other more profitable transactions, here are the top 5 these are the top 5 reasons where every bank should make a digital security device available for high value online transactions, especially for the commercial account. Now I'm going to talk about the maturity of digital security according to the Gartner Hype Cycle. Gartner Hype Cycle defines the innovation trigger for digital security from 5 to 10 years, but didn't reach to the peak of inflated expectations. Digital security need further developments and very robust security systems to provide high level of security for customers and users. That's all. Thank you.